Hey guys, so in this video I'll be making a medieval kind of photo manipulation. So yeah, just enjoy the video. Obviously I started masking out every single image I had, starting with this kind of castle or whatever it is, and yeah, it took me so long to release that it was going to be in the back full of fog and no one is going to see the details of it, but I entirely masked it out. Now I started blending it with the background, changing the colors to make it look good. Then I masked out every single thing I had to use, but obviously I'm going to show you just one because it took me so long as always, but it's kind of fun, I don't know. So now I started blending the characters, trying to make them look like they are there, but the problem was that, as you see now, there's a lot of fog in the image, but the sun is out too, well, kind of. But yeah, so the problem is that the sun and the fog is not a real thing, but I wanted to have like a light source. So yeah, that's why it looks pretty weird at the end, but I don't know, I still like it. Now, as you can tell, I start adding all the props and stuff that I wanted to add and just blending it with the background. Finally, I added the light source, which is the sun coming through the clouds. I don't know if that looks good or not. I don't really like it, but yeah. So this is the final result. I'm not really happy with it, but I think it looks good. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram, and that's where I post everything. But yeah, just, I don't know, comment, like, subscribe if you want, and see you next time.